Common Ground Fair, Maine's original celebration of rural living, traditional crafts, self-sufficiency, and community. We're here to teach people about mushroom cultivation, and making shiitake logs is a great place to start. Just one bag of shiitake sawdust spawn can make up to 20 logs outdoors. All you need are some freshly cut hardwood logs and a few tools. We use a specialized 12mm drill bit paired with an angle grinder adapter to speed up the drilling process. An angle grinder spins at a much faster RPM than a hand drill. Next, use an inoculator tool to inject sawdust spawn into your drilled holes. The inoculator tool is essentially a hollow tube with a plunger mechanism. Finally, seal your inoculation points with melted wax. An old crock pot helps keep it melted. Dip each end of the log in the crock pot to help keep moisture in the log. Shiitake logs should live outdoors in a shady location and overwinter fine. Come visit us this year at the Common Ground Fair in Unity, Maine, always on the third weekend of September. Make a log, learn something about growing mushrooms, and spread the spore. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for more mushroom content. Visit northspore.com to order your tools and spot.